Byose urabyumva mu Kinyarwanda Mukanya Gato Nturambirwe kureba. Alexander James McLean, professionally known as Aj McLean, was born on 9th of January in 1978. He is an American singer. Today is celebrating his birthday of 47 years. He is a founding member of the pop vocal group Backstreet Boys. As a child, McLean had a speech impediment which gave him a lisp and tendency to stutter. He discovered his love for performing and started to pursue a career in acting, dancing, and singing. When he was 4, McLean began to focus on his love for dance. His mother signed him up for 2-hour a dance lesson every day. He took ballet for 4 years, jazz tap, hip-hop, rim tap, rim hip-hop, contemporary, ballroom, salsa, merengue, and gymnastics. His mother got him into modeling when he was around 5 years old, and he was featured in J.C. Penney catalogs and runway. Aside from that, he took up fencing. His grandmother, who was like a second mother to him, taught him piano and took him to auditions while he was growing up. At the age of 6, McLean was part of school play Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, in which he played Dorothy at Unity Delray Beach Church and School. He also appeared in more traditional musicals such as The Nutcracker, The King and I, A Fiddler on the Roof before the age of 11. By age of 12, he had performed in 27 classic school plays. In March 1992, was placed in local news seeking young men between the age of 16 and 19 for audition for the new music group. Despite being 14 years old, he auditioned for the group. By April 1992, McLean was officially the group's first member to join the new formed Backstreet Boys after 6 months at Osceola High School. He finished the remaining 3 years of high school through correspondence class with a tutor on the road after joining the Backstreet Boys. McLean, Nick Carter, Howie Doro, Kevin Richardson, and Richardson's cousin Brian Rilo formed the vocal group Backstreet Boys in 1993. The group enjoyed extensive commercial success through the late 1990s and early 2000s. Besides his successful career in music, he also acted in movies such as Truth or Dare, Hi Honey, I Am Home, Incredible Gods, Welcome Freshmen, Ticking, Sabrina the Teenage Witch, Saturday Night Live, Fully Booked, Olive Joyce, Static Shock, Arthur, Sesame Street, The Ellen DeGeneres Show, El Hormiguero, Late Night with Jimmy Fallon, This Is the End, El Hormiguero, I Heart Nick Carter, Under Table, Dead 7, The Lion Guard, The Brave Knight, Days of Our Life, and his recent RuPaul's Secret Celebrity Drag Race released in 2022. Wishing happy birthday to Aj McLean. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write to comment. Thank you. For information was published on Wikipedia. Uyu munsi isabukuru y'amavuko y'imyaka 47 ya Alexander James McLean uzwi nka Aj McLean. Akaba ari umunyamerika, umuririmbyi ndetse umukinnyi w'amafilime. Akaba ari mu bahimbye itsinda rya Backstreet Boys. McLean yatangiye gukunda umuziki akiri mutoya kuko ku myaka 4 mama we yamushyize mu mashuri yigisha imbyino za jazz, tap, ballet, hip hop, rim tap, contemporary, ballroom, salsa, merengue ndetse na gymnastic. Mu myaka 5 cyangwa irenga mama we yamushyize mu ishuri rya modeling, ndetse nyirakuru we ageze mu myaka 7 yamwigishije gucuranga piano. Mu mwaka w'1992 kwezi kwa gatatu ari mu mashuri yisumbuye nibwo yagiye guhatanira kujya mu itsinda rishyashya rya muzika ryari rigiye kuvuka. Akaba haremerwaga abana bafite imyaka kuva 16 kugera 19, ariko we nubwo arafite 14 yagiye mu marushanwa ndetse atsindira kujya mu iryo tsinda rishyashya ryari rigiye kuvuka afite imyaka 14. bityo mu mwaka w'1993 Backstreet Boys itsinda rishyashya ry'umuziki ritangira gukora rigira kumenyekana ndetse no gukundwa mu mwaka w'1990 kugera muri 2000. kandi uretse kuba mu muziki yakinnye mu mafilime menshi nka Saturday Night Live, Oliver Static, Artire, Sesame Street, El Hermegro, Last Night with Jimmy Fallon, This is the End, and the Table n'izindi nyinshi. Yaheruka gukinamo ni RuPaul Secret Celebrity Drag Race yagiye hanze 2022. Akwiye kubana nanjye nagusaba like na subscribe by'umenye amakuru agezweho, itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.